Okay everybody, it's a big day today. We've got a lot of new stuff I want to show you, so let's hurry up and take a look. Here we go. You might notice a couple of things out here that we're going to show you in a little bit. But boy, this is such a beautiful house it's turning out to be. Oh my gosh, look at that front door. Look at this front door. I wonder if anybody's home. Hola!
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, todo bien. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Come on in.
Claro.
Pase adelante.
Wow. Look at everything in here. Now, this is the inside of the beautiful door. Everything's custom made. The doors were custom made for us at a shop up in San Isidro. And this week, we got some appliances. What kind of appliances did we get, babe?
So we got a little tiny washer and dryer stackable to go in the closet.
Yep, everything. It's all about being tiny.
Our skinny, tiny, tall refrigerator.
Yep. Now we had to get this one because we needed it to open on with hinges on the left side, not on the right like most refrigerators.
And then back there is our little stovetop with an oven. You can't really see it from here.
Yep.
And it's just a little guy, but he's perfect.
Oh my gosh,
That's all you
this
need.
is so cool. I love this room. And this room's got a lot of other features that we can't wait to show you. Oh my gosh, right there. Right there. Look at this island with a quartz countertop. We splurged a little bit. But babe, tell us how you found the idea for this one.
Oh, on Pinterest.
It's amazing.
I wanted an island with a wood bottom for some cool seating here, and then a little extra features that are really nice for storing stuff.
Now the builder we worked with, Marcel, all we had to do was tell him or show him pictures of what we wanted, and Miner, the architect, made it all happen. And again, they built this in San Isidro. Oh, so beautiful.
And then the best part is
Oh boy.
here.
Look at that thing. Here, babe, let me hold it for you. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna hold it up for us, ladies and gentlemen. My wife. Oh, and the puppy. Hi, puppy. Kahalan. Hi, buddy. You're a good boy.
Okay.
Oh boy.
How's it look?
Wow. Oh my gosh. What
You
a
got a coffee wood.
yeah, so we'll do a close-up. This is something Courtney has had her heart set on. We got it at a local place called Luna in Uvita. And it's each of these little things is made out of wood from a coffee tree. Wow. Oh my
Okay, it's
God.
heavy. I'm gonna set it down.
Okay. Thanks, babe, for showing us that.
Yeah.
And then we've got a couple other things over here, like our kitchen counters. Look at this, and the sink.
Obviously, this isn't put in yet.
Yeah. Wow. And then the tip comes off so we can wash our dishes.
Oh yeah. That's fine.
Right. And she can spray her husband if he's hot. And then where are the appliances gonna go?
So the little stovetop is here with some more mango shelves or whatever we're gonna do there. And then our skinny, tiny, tall refrigerator is gonna go right here.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now that you've had a chance to see our beautiful kitchen, let's just quickly take a look at the laundry room. Babe, why don't you open up these beautiful doors they made for us? Oh my gosh, that is sick. These are custom made doors out of cedar wood, right here from Costa Rica. Oh, they put so much attention into the detail here. Nice job, babe. Okay, I know this next part is something we've all been waiting for. Let's see the mango wood. Oh, thanks to the GoPro for being able to pick up in a low light situation. We don't have any lights in here yet, but there's our beautiful shower and my beautiful wife. But let's just admire our first piece of furniture made out of mango wood, and our workers here did it for us in no time at all. Just absolutely beautiful. Babe, why don't you point out that beautiful little feature that we talked about last week?
Yeah, it looks like wings, like a bird flying.
It's like Talise.
Yep.
Our
When we were
husky.
here a year ago, we put her ashes in the mango tree.
Yeah, and it grew, and we believe that it grew that little piece there just for Talise, so we can always think of her. And then check out the sliding doors in the bathroom, so you can have a little privacy Do you hear? I mean, it's just so smooth, so beautiful. They did such a great job. I can't believe it. Almost gonna cry. I think it's so beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at the bedrooms and a couple more features. So here's another sliding door. Again, made out of that beautiful cedar wood. And then I can tell you, even with the beautiful windows and doors we have here, I'm standing in a beautiful breeze. Oh, check out that sliding door out to the pool. Oh, it's so nice. And then check out that giant window. Still have a great view out there. Nice. Okay, check this out, everybody. Oh my gosh, that is our AC for all intents and purposes. We will have an AC unit here on the wall if we need it. For example, we can close up the house in case it gets too smoky outside. But these ceiling fans, 3-blade ceiling fans, industrial. Our host, our beautiful and generous host, Sharon and B, told us we had to do the 3-blade fans because when we're at their house, we feel so comfortable and they have no AC.
Do you want to show them the living room one too?
Yeah, let's go take a look at the living room one. Yep, we got them here and you'll see we got lights in the ceiling already too.
And that's the chandelier spot and then another fan in here.
So beautiful.
Inside the house we'll have the fans going and all the air, the breeze moving through.
Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, we have a couple more features. Let's show them our new shower outside. We have 2 showers. One post-surfing beach day. Oh my gosh, and I think it's working, babe.
A waterfall shower head.
Why don't you make it work? Let's just check it out real quick. Don't get wet. Oh, sweet. Oh my gosh. That is so amazing. Wow. Okay, well, babe, just real quick. You had some ideas for what we wanted to do here.
Oh yeah. We're gonna decorate with bamboo because it's everywhere here. And I don't know what we're doing with these yet, but we're gonna do something cool in the garden with it. And then this is our solar pool pump and tools area, tool shed. So on this space that's empty, we're gonna do a waterfall.
And then lastly, Courtney and I have been taking little clippings of plants that we want to grow on our property here that will feed us. And so you can't really see a whole lot yet, and they're still making their roots. But we have banana trees. She buried some lime seeds, and we're just going to germinate them here. Some avocado and cilantro. And okay, last thing. Our pool, and we call it a little piscina, a small pool, because it's just meant to cool us off. We're not trying to swim laps in it or anything. But look how beautiful this is. You remember the monsters from last week. There are no more of those. And then check out our floors. Our floors that are inside are actually all the way around our house outside. And
the best part, 2 of those industrial fans out here, so when it's raining out, we're covered. We've got the airflow.
Oh my gosh.
Out here having dinner.
Oh, my little Costa Rican family. There's our little buddy right there.
And there's our little baby.
I'm gonna walk you really quick around the house and then we'll end the video. Here we go. You can see our floors. Beautiful little bamboo looking floors all the way around the house. Here's where the gas is gonna be for our stove. And there's our front door.
Adios.
Adios.